Okay, this is Michael's volcano that he made for science for school, right?
Yeah.
That's supposed to say Mount
MG.
MG. Part of it came off. Pretty cool looking volcano. Alright. So we're going to try and make it erupt, right, Michael? And Spider-Man's here to help, right?
Spider-Man's, he ran away.
Okay.
From the neighborhood, Spider-Man.
And then put the lid back on the Coke bottle so that it'll stay good for if we want to do another experiment here. Good job. Okay. And it's Mount St. Michael. Oh, that's good. You know what? That lava that you made was great.